Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Police Interceptor video. This car is a 2008 P71 package flex fuel that with 103,000 miles and about 3,600 idle hours that is now ready to be sold. So if you have any questions about this vehicle, please feel free to reach out at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at www.carsmart-automotive.com for more pictures and information regarding the vehicle. So I'll go ahead and show you the vehicle on the outside, and then we'll go ahead and jump into the inside. So here we go. So we'll start with the push bar. Obviously we have a Gold Rhino. Okay. The car does have paint chip there, paint chip right there. Few nicks and paint chips here and there on the vehicle. Okay. Obviously the car does come with the 235s 5517 Goodyear RSA tires all the way around. The spotlights are fully functional. They do light up or power on. Okay, on the top, this vehicle used to have some the unit number, so that was removed. The antenna, all the antennas are just for accessory only. They do not function. Okay, they are just for display only. So there's the okay, let's go this way. So this is a flex fuel, okay, 85 ethanol. Blemish there on the bumper. Okay. There you go. Perfect. The Unity spotlights are regular bulb, non-LED. Okay. All right. So, all right, guys. So let me show you the inside. All right. Driver's door. Ballistics panel on the two front doors. Okay. Minor wear and tear on the steering wheel. Sorry about the sun, guys. The sun is affecting the the video picture. We have some places where the shadow is affecting the actual video, but there is no stains there. That's not a stain. That's just the shadow of the steering wheel and some other objects in the way of the sun. So back at it. All right, so let's go to the rear door. Perfect. All right. Here's the trunk. Got your spare. Your police trunk pack. Perfect. Now let me show you the passenger rear door. Okay, let's take a look inside. Oh, that's a tool that does not belong there. Okay. Is that inside? Perfect. This vehicle does not have a radio. And then let's show you passenger door. Perfect. Miles and idle. So 3685 on the idle. Oops. 103,636 on the miles. Perfect. So there you go, guys. The 08 P71 with 103,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So information will be on the description of the vehicle, of the video. And remember, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract to help you with potential issues that the vehicle or any vehicle can have. But that's standard on all of our cars that we sell. Okay, so there you go, guys. Please consider subscribing, consider hitting the like button, and again, thanks for watching, and have a blessed rest of the day. Thank you.